Hello everybody, today I am going to take you through my mini vegetable garden. Come along with me. This is my mini vegetable garden. As you can see, I have a corn, and I have a dodo. In my local language we call it enriched. We got another vegetable which is leguminous one. I call it also bee. Yeah. So guys, I'll take you through. Yeah. So I have dodo which is ready to be harvested. I want to harvest, and I will do it today. As you can see, it's really thick. So what I will do is I have to uproot some so that they can have space as well. Yeah, cool. Let's walk through. Guys, what do you think about my mini garden? Was it not amazing? I think it's really amazing. Yep. And some of the vegetables are flowering, so soon we'll produce a seed, which is good. As you can see there, that is a flower, and the seed is coming soon. Yeah, so it's awesome. Yep. And the corn, it's not easy to work here, guys, because of the leaf, so you need to really work slowly or else you will break it. Yeah, amazing, so good. Yep. What do you think about it, Dodo? Look at that. Yeah, it's doing really good. Yeah. And this is all organic. I didn't put fertilizer at the moment. I don't think I should really do it as well, because the way you can see it's growing, it's so healthy. Yeah. I water normally twice a week, and for maybe 5 minutes, and it's still amazing. Although the sun here is really hot, sometimes it gets to 42 degrees, but still it's really good. It's doing amazing. Yeah. And I'm walking through, guys, so yeah, that's the maize, or else you call corn, guys. Yeah, it's a white corn. Yeah, awesome. And I have another vegetable as well, Sukuma Wiki. We call it Sukuma Wiki. Yeah, it's a nice one as well. So normally Sukuma Wiki, if you're from East Africa, you know what I'm talking. Yeah, it's a must. You need to eat it. So amazing. Yeah, awesome. I have few over here, and you can see, guys, some are flowering as well. Yeah, some are flowering, so which is awesome. So which means we will get a seed, and then we'll plant more next year. Yeah, look, guys, how tall it's growing. It's really growing tall. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's awesome. Yep. And that's the corn, as I say, still not flowering as well, but it's healthy. And the Sukuma Wiki is healthy as well. Lucky at the moment there's no worm eating it. Yes, so I didn't spray anything on it. Yeah. There we go. Guys, it's not easy to work here. You gotta work slowly. Very slowly. And there's another vegetable as well. Right there. Okay. In my local language, this is called luge. Yeah. So when you came from northern Uganda, you know better. It's called luge. Okay? Yeah, guys. And I think I have deer somewhere as well. So I'm looking for it. Should be hidden somewhere. Yeah, it's amazing. So the dodo is really doing good. And guys, this is a hot water unit. It doesn't really affect the vegetable. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. So more Sukuma and Dodo. So healthy. I think it's ready to harvest, right? Yeah, it looks really ready. I don't want to leave it for another week, which it will grow old. But what I'll do is I'll pick some, and then I'll leave the small one to grow. That is Sukuma flowering. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. Oh, look at the maize too, man. Look at that. It's not growing tall, it's just growing on the sideway. I don't know why. It's supposed to grow upright, but it's going horizontal. Yeah, I don't know why. Look at that, that's bent. Yeah. What do you think about this mini vegetable garden? Was it not amazing? How do you grow your vegetable? Please comment down below. And what is the name of this vegetable in your local language? That one? In my local language I call enriched. Yeah? So nice. Awesome. also have a pumpkin, which is really doing good as well. As you can see, guys. Yeah, that's pumpkin, and it's flowering as well. So that's good. That's the grapes. Yeah. Yep. And as I say, very hot. Look at the sun. It's so hot. Yep. Cool. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. May God bless you all. Bye bye.